Coinbase pushes to move Oregon copycat crypto case to federal court. Coinbase, SEC, Securities. By framing the case as a copycat of a recently dismissed SEC action, Coinbase argues that allowing states to set their own rules threatens to fragment the national crypto market, raising the stakes for how digital assets are governed across the U.S. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. About author, Hassan, a Cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated 2 hours ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Coinbase has formally moved to shift a securities lawsuit filed by the state of Oregon from state to federal court. The company submitted a notice of removal to the U.S. District Court for the District of Oregon, arguing that the case raises substantial federal legal questions and thus belongs in federal jurisdiction. The lawsuit, filed in Multnomah County Circuit Court in April 2025, accuses Coinbase of selling 31 crypto tokens without registering them as securities under Oregon law. The state seeks civil penalties of $20,000 per violation, disgorgement, and an injunction preventing Coinbase from selling the tokens in Oregon. In a notice of removal filed Monday with the U.S. District Court for the District of Oregon, Coinbase argued that the case raises substantial and disputed federal questions that warrant federal jurisdiction. The company called Oregon's lawsuit a copycat of a dismissed SEC case and accused Attorney General Dan Rayfield of attempting to impose a patchwork of state rules that threaten national crypto industry uniformity. Federal questions and constitutional arguments at the core of Coinbase defense. Coinbase legal filing stresses that Oregon's claims hinge on whether the digital assets qualify as securities under the federal Howey test, a Supreme Court standard for investment contracts. This creates a federal question, justifying removal to federal court under the Grable Doctrine, which permits federal jurisdiction when state law claims implicate significant federal issues. The exchange also cited federal officer removal because the U.S. Marshal Service had engaged Coinbase to sell some seized crypto assets, including more than half of the tokens named in Oregon's suit. Coinbase argued that Oregon's lawsuit directly interferes with these federal operations. Additionally, Coinbase pointed to the SEC's decision to drop a similar enforcement action with prejudice earlier this year following a federal court ruling criticizing the agency's failure to establish clear rules. The filing indicated ongoing congressional efforts to create a uniform federal regulatory framework, including a draft bill released last week that would place digital asset oversight under the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, rather than the SEC. Oregon cannot now rewrite history, Coinbase said in its filing. Its own regulators previously declared that crypto assets were unregulated, similar to gold, and the Attorney General lacks the authority to reverse that judgment unilaterally. Broader implications for crypto regulation and industry compliance. Coinbase warned that allowing Oregon's lawsuit to proceed in state court risks creating a fragmented regulatory environment. This would force crypto firms to navigate a confusing patchwork of state laws, which the company said would hinder innovation and limit consumer access to digital assets nationwide. Oregon's Attorney General has defended the suit as necessary to protect investors amid perceived gaps left by federal agencies stepping back from enforcement. Coinbase pushed back, characterizing the move as an attempt to impose one state's vision on the national crypto market, which is rapidly evolving and requires coordinated regulation. The case awaits the federal court's decision on whether to retain jurisdiction after removal. Coinbase remains confident its federal defense will prevail, emphasizing its history of regulatory cooperation, including the SEC's approval of its 2021 IPO. The outcome could set an important precedent clarifying the balance between state and federal oversight of crypto firms, a key issue as the industry grows and lawmakers push for more explicit rules. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto Zarkatana unsheathes to reshape DeFi. Incubated by GSR and Polygon Labs. Google's AI predicts the price of XRP, Pepe, and Solana by end of 2025. Why is crypto down today? May 30th, 2025. Price analysis. Is XRP about to explode? Ripple's SEC letter could change everything. 5 days ago. By Harvey Hunter. Bitcoin news. Why is crypto down today? May 29th, 2025. 6 days ago. By Seed Fadil Pazik. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Ripple's hidden road. Just changed the game. Bulls now $10. 4 days ago. By Simon Chandler. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6th, 2025. By Alan Draper. Best new crypto coins to invest in 2025. Top new cryptocurrencies. May 6th, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Full presale list. March 3rd, 2025. By Alan Draper. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. April 13th, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5th, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11th, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19th, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28th, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28th, 2024. By Ben Beto.